Today we are here giving students the opportunity to explore different career paths for their future.
Today is all about exposing students to the amazing career opportunities in aviation and advanced manufacturing.
Welcome to Manufacturing Day 2023.
Today is a day that we invite high school kids, and they're introduced to all the types of careers and educational opportunities that lie out there for them.
Hi, my name is Danielle and I go to North.
My name is Amarion and I go to Mays High School.
My name is Michelle and I go to North High School.
My name is Antonio and I go to West.
My name is Addison and I go to North High School.
Manufacturing is evolving at an ever more rapid rate. These students that are here today get to be a part of creating the jobs of the future.
My favorite part is
The virtual welding.
Riveting was my favorite part, playing the drums.
derby racing.
Probably my favorite thing that I've learned so far was making this.
This is where it's at.
This is where it's at.
Manufacturing Day has been real fun.
Fantastic.
Very inspiring. Sparks so much curiosity in me.
Manufacturing Day has been amazing.
I want to go to WSU Tech.
You are the future of the manufacturing industry.
Woohoo! Let's do it!